Class 7. Today I am going to teach you chapter 6, natural vegetation and wildlife. Students, natural vegetation includes all the plants and trees that have not been introduced by human beings and grow naturally in region. Those are known as natural vegetation. And wildlife refers to all the organisms that are native to a region and have not been domesticated by humans. And some factors influence natural vegetation. Those factors are like temperature, rainfall, altitude and soil. Here altitude means height. Okay, and natural vegetation can be classified into three broad categories: forest, grassland and desert. So I repeat once again, what is natural vegetation? Natural vegetation includes all the plants and trees that have not been introduced by human beings and grow naturally in region. And what is wildlife? Wildlife refers to all the organisms that are native to a region and have not been domesticated by humans. Okay, and some factors influence natural vegetation. Those factors are like temperature, rainfall, altitude means height and soil. And natural vegetation can be classified into three broad categories, which is forest, grassland and desert. Now we will discuss in brief one by one. First forest is tropical evergreen forest. Tropical evergreen forests or equatorial forests are found in the equatorial and tropical region of the world. Okay, including the Amazon and Orinoco basins of South America, the Congo basin of Africa, Malaysia and India, where you can find tropical evergreen forest. These regions are hot and humid. Okay, and average temperature of this region almost 15 degree to 30 degree Celsius, and they receive plenty of rainfall throughout the year. For that reason known as also rainforest. So another name of tropical evergreen forest which is rainforest. Okay, and these forests are evergreen as the trees shed their leaves at different times of the year, and the trees have broad leaves and the forests are dense. Okay, these are some characteristics of tropical evergreen forest. And some common trees which we can found in the tropical evergreen forest, those trees are like ebony, rosewood, mahogany, etc. And some common animals which we can found in the tropical evergreen forest like snakes, crocodiles, gorillas, chimpanzees and jaguars. Okay, so that's it for the tropical evergreen forest. Next type of forest which is tropical deciduous forest. Students, tropical deciduous forest is known as also monsoon forest. Okay, and they are found in the most part of the India, southern China, South Mexico, Peru, Brazil, where you can find tropical deciduous forest. And average temperature of tropical deciduous forest which is 20 degree to 48 degree Celsius. Okay, and tropical deciduous forest shed their leaves in the dry season. And some common trees like teak, banyan, bamboo, sal, sandalwood which you can find in the tropical deciduous forest. And some wildlife like common animals which you can find in the tropical deciduous forest are like tigers, lions, elephant, snakes, crocodiles. Okay, so difference between tropical evergreen forest and tropical deciduous forest, which is very much important for your exam. And what are the characteristics of tropical evergreen forest and what are the characteristics of tropical deciduous forest, that is also very much important for your exam. Okay, and next type of forest which is temperate evergreen forest. Temperate forests are found in southeastern part of China, United States of America, Brazil, etc. region where we can find from temperate evergreen forest. And these regions enjoy a cool climate with heavy rainfall occurring throughout the year. and some common trees which you can found in the temperate evergreen forest like pine, acacia, then eucalyptus, cedars and oak, and some common animals or wildlife which you can found in the temperate evergreen forest like bears, then deer, leopard. Okay, the next type is temperate deciduous forest. These forests are located in the higher latitude in cool temperate region. They are found in the northeastern part of USA, United States of America, northwestern Europe and North China. And some common trees are like oak, ash, maple, chestnut and walnut, which you can found in the temperate deciduous forest. Okay, and some common animals like fox, wolves, then deer, bear, which you can found in the temperate deciduous forest. Then next type of forest, which is the Mediterranean forest. Mediterranean vegetation is found in regions surrounding the Mediterranean Sea, southern California, central Chile and southwestern Australia, where you can found the Mediterranean vegetation. Okay, and these areas have dry summers and rainfall occurs in the winter season. Okay, that is very much important characteristics in Mediterranean vegetation. These areas have dry summers and rainfall occurs in the winter season. Okay, and the vegetation in the region is mainly composed of shrubs and small trees. Some common trees are like oak, olive, eucalyptus are found in the Mediterranean vegetation, and some common animals like silver fox, then polar bear, reindeer, wolves, which you can found in the Mediterranean vegetation. Okay students, so that's it for today. Next day we will start from the grassland. Thank you.